Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube if it's not working on Chrome, on Windows 11. It could be a laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's just go ahead and open up Chrome right here. Wait for it to open, and once it's open, what you got to do first is just go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots. Now go ahead and click on Settings. Okay. Once it loads, first fix is go ahead and go to your Privacy and Security section right here in the left panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Delete Browsing Data. Now in here, go ahead and select the More section and just basically select all time. Okay, select all of it. Okay, and once that's done, click on Delete from this device. Wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, go ahead and try YouTube if it works now. Okay, now if that still will work, go back to Settings again. Three dots, Settings. Now in the left panel, we have the System setting or System section. Just click on it. Now disable or enable graphics acceleration right here. Okay, some computers works with graphics acceleration and some computers doesn't work well with graphics acceleration. Okay, just basically play around with this slider. Now once that's done, again, youtube.com and check if it helps. That's basically it. That's how you fix this issue with Chrome on Windows 11. If it still doesn't work with Chrome, well, go ahead and download a different browser. Okay, you can use Brave, Firefox, or even Edge. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.